guys, Yasmin here. I've got my patient Yogi who we are going to be showing you how we trim nails at home. Now, nails can be a bit of a daunting thing for people to do at home with their babies. We do nail trims here, but sometimes people find it a little bit easier to do at home or a little bit less stressful for them as well. So Yogi here is going to show us how good he is for his little nail trim. Nails have a bit of a similar anatomy to people in dogs and cats. We've sort of got the white tip, which his is brown, so we can't really see the difference there. And then they've also got the blood supply and the nerve that runs down the middle, similar to our nail bed. So with this, we obviously don't want to hit that when we trim them because it will be really, really painful for them and it bleeds quite a lot. It can often be difficult to stop it when it does start bleeding. And then they get really painful and they don't want to have their nails trimmed ever again. So we want to make sure it's a nice positive experience for them, provide them lots of treats, and make sure that we go really nice and slow and take tiny bits off at a time. And less is often better with these cases. We can do it very frequently if we're worried about taking too much off. I'll show you with one of his back nails here just for the purpose of how he's laying. If you want to come in a bit closer, when I pull back the hair, you can see that he's got this pink bit running down the side and then the brown tip, or that would be equivalent to the clear bit on our nails, is just on the tip there. If you look at it from underneath, it's a bit hard to see the anatomy, but when you start trimming on this plane here, you'll see a little black dot appear as we start to get closer to that blood supply. And as soon as you see that appear, that's where we want to stop trimming because we'll be very close to hitting it. Nail trimmers, you can get them from any pet store. Make sure they're nice and sharp and appropriate to the size of the nails that your dog has. We're going to start, I often go from underneath, but everyone has a different approach. And we're just going to start taking little bits off at a time until we start seeing that little black dot appear where we want to stop trimming. So you can see that black dot has appeared at the top there. And that's where we know that it will get really sore if we keep going any further. And you can see from the side, that's where the pink bit comes up to where his blood supply is. We can do a few more nails, maybe on the front here as well. So these ones are a little bit longer. And if we go from below, we'll see it will start to take little bits off at a time. Take it nice and slow with him. And then we start to see this black bit come at the top. And that's where we want to slow down because we'll be nice and close to that blood supply. He's done a very good job. That's how you trim your nails at home.